Bonjour tout le monde. Today in this video, we are going to talk about possessive adjective. My, your, his, her, our, your, their. In English, it's quite easy because it has only one form, that is my, your, his, her, or your, their. But in French, it's little bit difficult because it has three forms. Possessive adjective is totally depend on the gender and the number of the noun. So it has three forms. Let's see. The first one is masculine singular, second one is feminine singular, and the third one is plural, and it's totally depend on the noun. So if the noun is masculine singular, in case of my, we put mo. If the noun is feminine singular, we put ma. And if the noun is plural, we put may. It's totally depend on the gender and the number of the noun. Let's take one example. If I say my mother, what's the gender of the mother? Yes, it's feminine. So I'll say ma, mer, ma, mer. But if we talk about father, my father, father has, yes, masculine gender. So I'll say mon père, ma mère, mon père. But in case of plural, we use me. So if I say my parents, it's become mes parents, mes parents. So in English, it's quite easy, my for all these three. But in French, it changed like mo, ma, me. It has three forms. Me is quite easy because regardless of gender, if it is plural, you put just me. But in these two cases, you should know the gender of the noun, the object. Now we'll talk about your. Your in case of informal, it has three forms, that is ton, ta, te. Masculine singular is ton, feminine singular is ta, and the plural is te. So in case of plural, you put te. So ton, père, ta, mère, te, parents. Now we'll talk about his and her. His and her, it depends on the gender of the noun and the number of the noun. So if you're saying his mother or her mother, then you say sa mère. His father or her father, then you say son, because the gender of the father is masculine. So it's become son père, sa mère. And in case of parents, his or her parents, you say ses parents. His and her is totally depend on the noun, not on the subject. Okay, so if you're saying his pen or her pen, then it's become son stylo because the gender of the pen is son. If you're saying his book or her book, so it's like son livre. So it's totally depend on the gender of the noun. Now we'll talk about our. How to say our house. So the gender of the house is feminine, but you are saying our, that is plural means in the sense of nous. Then we say notre. Notre in case of masculine singular and notre in case of feminine singular. So we say notre maison. Notre maison. So like my house become ma maison, your house become ta maison, his or her house becomes sa maison, but our house becomes notre maison. Now when we say our mother, our father, we use same thing notre, but our parents become nous parents, because parents is plural. So in case of plural, we say nous. Now we'll talk about your in case of formal or plural, how to say your father, your mother, and your parents, your house. We'll say votre in case of masculine singular or feminine singular, and vous in case of plural, vos parents, your parents. Votre mère, votre père, votre, and in case of plural, vos parents. Now we'll talk about this one, there. There in case of, like, if you talk about plural, il or elle, then we say leur. Leur in case of singular, masculine singular, say in case of feminine singular, and in case of plural, you add s, but in pronunciation, s is silent, it's leur. So in pronunciation, leur, leur, leur. Their house. So their house become leur maison. Their mother, leur mère. But if you are saying their pens, their houses. So more than one, you'll say lur, L-E-U-R-S. S will be there, but silent. So it's like when you talk about masculine singular, mo, ton, so, notre, votre, lur. Feminine singular, ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, lur. In the plural, regardless of gender, you say me, te, se, nu, vu, lur. It's about possessive adjective and it's totally depend on the gender and the number of the noun. And it doesn't depend on the subject. So his and her, for both things, you use so, sa, se according to the gender of the noun. So if you talk about mother, his or her mother, you always say sa. Okay, let's see some other example. This one is son lit. How to say his or her bed? We say son lit. Why son lit? Because the gender of the bed is masculine. It is ali. If you say like a bed, it's a ali. So ali, a bed. And if you're saying his bed or her bed, so it's become masculine singular, son lit. Your house is feminine, but here you are using your, so it's become ta, feminine singular, ta maison, because the gender of the house is feminine, and this possessive adjective is totally depend on the gender of the noun. The noun is here maison. But if you talk about his and her parents, parents is plural, so it's become se paro, his and her parent. So when you talk about singular, it becomes sa mère, plural, son père, and the parents become ses parents. Let's see some sentences. So this one is when I say I'm talking to my mom. So I'm talking to my mom. Mom, the gender of mother is feminine. So here in front of mother, if I say my mother, so my become ma, because the gender of mère is feminine. So here we put feminine singular. Je parle à ma mère. Je parle à ma mère. You love your teacher. Vous aimez votre professeur. Your is votre in case of formal. Professor, votre professor. So regardless of like for masculine or feminine singular, we use votre. We love our children. So our children here, we use nous enfants. Our children, S come here, children. So our children is like nous enfants. NOS. In case of plural, we put nous enfants. So nous aimons, nous enfants, we love our children. They talk to their children. So their here is leur. So leur, enfant, we talk about plural. So we put S here, leur with S. So il parle, it's a plural, il parle à leurs enfants. So il parle à leurs enfants means they talk to their children. Now we'll talk about this one. She calls her mother. So mother is here feminine and her, yes, how to put her? Sa, that is feminine singular. Elle appelle sa mère. Elle appelle sa mère. Now we'll talk about this one. We have a large or big garden in our house. So how to say this? Yes, the gender of the house is feminine, but we talk about are. So are come notre in case of feminine and masculine singular. So it become notre. House is one. So in front of the house, we put singular form notre, not nous. Nous avons un grand jardin dans notre maison. So nous avons un grand jardin dans notre maison. We have a large garden in our house. Now we'll talk about stylo. Stylo means pen, and pen has masculine gender. So if you talk about you have your pen, so you subject is tu, but the stylo is masculine. So you put ton. So it's like you have your pen, tu as ton stylo. So ton depend on the gender of the pen. So pen is masculine. In that case, we put ton. Let's see another example, this one. Yes. So there is one exception, like mo, ton, son are used before feminine noun starting with vowel. So if any noun, any feminine noun start with vowel, In front of that, we put masculine form, that is mo, ton, son, masculine singular. So let's see the first example, that is if you talk about école. Okay, so école is feminine singular, it's unicole. When you talk about high school, it's feminine, unicole. But as per rule, it is start with vowel, that is E, A, E, I, O, U. So in front of école, you put mo, that is my. So if you talk about something like, if you talk about masculine thing like my, so you say monicol, tonicol, your school, son equal means his or her school. So in case of feminine singular which start with vowel, we put mon, ton, son. Okay, so if you say I'm going to my school, we say je vais à mon école. Okay, je vais à mon école. It was like she is going to her school, so elle va à son école. Okay, so son come here, not sa, because école is start with vowel. Let's see some example. This one, he speaks to his friend. So how to say this? Il parle à son ami. Here you can see ami is masculine, so you put masculine. But in case of feminine, like ami is there. Okay, so it's like feminine singular. So when you talk about feminine singular, which start with vowel, you put masculine form, that is masculine singular. So elle parle à son ami. Elle parle à son ami. We never put here son ami. No, no sa. According to the rule, we put masculine singular form. So elle parle à son ami. Il parle à son ami. Elle parle à son ami. Here friend is feminine. She is going to her school. Elle va à son école. Son école. As you know that the école is feminine singular, but it starts with vowel. So we put masculine singular here in front of it. So she is going to her school. Elle va à son école. He is going to his school. Il va à son école. So it's depend on the gender. It totally depend on the noun. Okay, so we put here son, son. Okay, so let's see some example here. Take second. Yeah, so let's see some exercise. Then it's become easy to understand. Okay, so what we need to do here, complete avec les adjective possessive. Okay, so let's see first example. The first one, je regarde. Yes, je regarde photo. So I look. Yes, I look to my photos. So it's become with ja. Normally we put ma form, and photos is plural. So we put me here. So je regarde mes photos. I look my photos, mes photos, because plural. So it should agree with the number and the gender of the noun. So noun is here plural. So we put me regardless of genders. If I'm saying I look my photos, so my here is me. Second one is tu aimes Amy. You love Amy. Amy is masculine singular. So here we put ton. Ton. So tu aimes ton ami. You love your friend. But for example, suppose it is E here, feminine one. In that case also we put ton. As per rule, if it is feminine singular, that is feminine, we put ton form because it starts with vowel. Okay, so it's like tu aimes ton ami in both cases. Third one is elle parle à père. Elle parle, she's talking to père. She's talking to, yes, she's talking to her father. So her father become here son père. She's talking to her father, son père. So it's not depend on the gender of subject. It's feminine, but here we won't put sa. It depend, that possessive adjective depend on the gender of the noun, that is father. Père is masculine, that's why we put son, not sa. So it totally depend on the gender of the noun, not the gender of the subject. Okay, this one is nous rencontrons amis. So we are meeting to our friend. So nous and ami is plural, so nos come here, nous amis. So in case of plural, regardless of gender, we put nous. In case of nous, nous amis. Nous rencontrons nos amis. We are meeting to our friend. Ami va en Inde. So it's like my friend is going to the India. So it's become how to say mon ami. Mon ami va Anand. Mon ami means my friend. Va Anand. Maison est belle. So if you say my house is beautiful, so you say ma maison, because the gender of the house is feminine. So it become ma maison. My house is beautiful. Ma maison est belle. How to say this one? Ils ont livres. It's plural. You can see here books. So ils ont, yes, what should come here? Leur. They have their books. So leur is plural. So we put S here at the end, but we never pronounce this. L-E-U-R-S, leur, livre. Ils ont leurs livres. They have their books. Why leur plural? Because books are plural. And with il, we put leur form. Vous avez passport. Vous avez means you have your passport. So your, votre. In case of plural, we put votre. In case of vous, we put votre. In both cases, masculine and feminine singular. And passport is singular, so we put votre. Okay, so it's like me, ton, son, nous, mon, ma, leur with S and votre. So this is about possessive adjective. Is totally depend on the gender and the number of the noun, not the gender of the subject. Okay, so it's quite easy if you understand the rule, but without rule it's a little bit tricky. Let's see another example, another exercise. This one, complète avec mot, ma, me, ton, ta, te. So this one is like j'adore, parents et frères. So j'adore, I love my parents and my brother. So how to say my here parents? Okay, so let's see this one. Parents is plural. So which form of my come? May, plural form. So regardless of gender, if it is plural, so you just put may. Mes parents, like j'adore mes parents. But a means and, frère is singular. You can see it's singular, brother. And what's the gender of the brother? Masculine. So here you put mon frère, not ma, because the gender of the brother is masculine singular, mon frère. Let's see second one. Nous allons avec enfants à Paris. We are going with kids to the Paris. So with, yes, kids is plural, S, kids is there. So nous allons avec nos enfants. So NOS here, because we are talking about plural. Enfant is plural. So here you put no. With nous, we put nos enfants. À Paris. Tu vas avec, you are going with ta famille. Family is feminine. So that's why we put here a, ta, feminine singular. Family is one. So ta famille, your family. You are going with your family. Now we'll talk about third. Vous avez stylo. You have your pen. So with vous, stylo is masculine, but with vous, we say votre. It's a formal conversation, so we use votre form, not ton form. So suppose it given here ton means tu, then we use ton here, but who is given? It's a formal conversation, so we use votre. No, je n'ai pas stylo. I don't have my pen, so it's become mon stylo. Okay, why more? Because stylo is masculine, so it's totally depend on the gender of the pen. Now we'll talk about fourth one. Emily parle à Amy. So Emily is talking to her friend. So her friend, or in case of her or his, we put mon or ton or son. So here what should come? Yes, we are talking about L. So in case of L, we put his or her. So son come. Emily parle à son ami. So Emily is talking to her friend. Et Pierre téléphone à Amy. Here you can see it's feminine singular, but we are talking about vowel. So in case of vowel, if it is feminine singular but start with vowel, we put masculine form. So Pierre téléphone à son ami. So masculine form here, Pierre called to, yes, his friend. Okay, now we'll talk about fifth one. Lise et Léa habitent Avec. Okay, so there is some mistake. Avec whom? Avec. Yes, we are talking about plurals. Paro is plural. So lar come here. Leurs. Okay, lar. So Liz Elia, Abid means lives with their parents. So there come because the gender, because the parents is plural. S, lar. And here we are talking about il, like two, plural, ILS. So in case of plural, in case of there, we use lar. So like Liz et Leah habite avec leurs parents. A means and leur means their sister. So sister is feminine singular, but in case of feminine singular or masculine singular, we use only leur. Leur. So it's become leur. And why we are putting leur here, not another form, ton, ta, te? Why not this? Because plural person is there. Liz, a, Leah, two person is there. So it's a plural form, that is il. In case of they, we use their. Okay, so this is done. Merci. Have a nice day. Au revoir.